I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Okay, everybody, I figured this video would not be complete without a detailed look at the manual, which I think I meant to include earlier, but let's go ahead and do it now. So, here it tells you in the front, waterproof Full HD 1080p, very similar to the one I got last year. And we got some nice Chinese English in here too. It is a height precision product. Do not fall or crash. Do not expose the unit to strong magnetic objects such as magnet and electrical motor. Avoid strong radio waves. Strong magnetic fields may cause the product's breakdown or images and sounds damage. Never leave the products exposed to height, temperatures, and direct sunlight. Please choose branded micro SD card. Neutral cards are not guaranteed to work normally. Do not place micro SD card near strong magnetic objects to avoid data loss. In case of overheating, smoke, or unpleasant smell in the process of charging, unplug your device immediately to prevent fire hazard. Well, yeah, number 6 is probably something that would be very, it's a very good point with this device, especially the battery it comes with. While it is charging, keep your product out of children's reach. Power line may cause children accidental suffocation or electric shock. Keep the device in cool, dry, and dust-proof places. This product is a high-definition digital motion video recording device tailored to market demand. It has a variety of industry-leading features including digital video recording, photo shooting, audio recording, video display, and detachable battery, which makes it perfect for vehicle data recording, photo shooting, outdoor sport, home security, deep water probing, etc., allowing you to film at any time, anywhere, and has a variety of patents. Some product features: a water-resistant casing that allows you to film fascinating water sports, water-resistant up to 30 meters underwater. Height definition screen that that displays and replays fascinating videos recorded. Detachable battery that is easy to replace and prolongs your camera's service life. Video recording while charging. Video recording with battery. Well, I would think. HDMI HD output. No. Record in AVI format, which I think it does. Video encryption enabled. Yeah, I don't know about that. Many appearance diversified colors available. Jeez. And look, the manual makes note of an HDMI port which does not exist on this device. Here's the waterproof case. That's one of the good items with this whole thing. At least you can use it on any SJ Cam knockoff that has the same button arrangement, like my DBPOWER D2. So you get these accessories with it. It's funny how they call these bandages. Oh yeah, the manual is also an accessory, of course, yeah. Yeah, it gets better. So I'm seeing accessories on here. This one here I don't think is included with this. No, it's not. Jeez. Getting started. Inserting micro SD card. This camera is compatible with 8GB, 16GB, and 32GB capacity micro SD. You must use a micro SD card with a Class 10 speed rating. We recommend using brand name memory cards for maximum reliability and height vibration activities. I was about to say, well, they had better grammar here, but no, they don't. They messed up here on grammar and spelling too. Installing and removing batteries. Please own battery cap to open it. What? Correctly install battery in the camera as indicated by plus minus symbols and direction of arrows marked on battery until it's in place. Battery gauge. Please refer to diagram. Remove battery. Open cap to take battery out. No. Charging. Charging can be done with by either connecting camera to computer or adapter. As I guess I mean power adapter. Charge camera on vehicle by connecting to car charger. Okay. Camera can record video while charging. To power on. Press and hold the power mode button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn on. To power off. Press and hold the power mode button for 3 to 5 seconds to turn off. Apply on the personal computer. Connect to personal computer. The camera is provided with a plug-and-play function. Connect the device to computer with USB line. TV out. Press and hold the up button for 3 to 5 seconds to TV out. Well, that doesn't apply as this does not have HDMI. Mode switching. Oh, hey guys, look at here. We have images of a firmware or a user interface that does not exist on this device. To turn camera on, repeatedly press the power mode button to cycle through camera modes and settings. The modes will appear in the following order: video, photo, playback. Video settings, photo settings, playback settings, system setting. Yeah, if only this thing actually had that in the menu. But it doesn't. So yeah, this thing's talking about all this functionality it doesn't actually have. I'm telling you guys, they literally just, it's like they just pack a random manual with these things. Now the illustrations here do look different than what the camera, well, excuse me. The illustrations here do look different than the previous manual I got last year. Now here's something interesting. Look here. This is the resolutions for the different modes. So I'm seeing all this stuff that it claims to have, and all these menu settings, and this whole user interface it claims to have, but it doesn't have. Now get this, guys. I noticed this about a few minutes ago when I was having a close look at the camera. Look at the lens on the front of it. Let's take you a close look at it from an angle. Notice how it's crooked? It's not even straight. Yeah, this thing's awful. You know, with these knockoffs, you gotta wonder if they even cheap out on just the internal components like the sensor and stuff like that. Now, some of you might be asking me to be like, why don't you crack open your DBPOWER D2? Well, I'm not gonna do it to this one because, you know, it's a good camera. I don't want to destroy it by chance. But I am pretty certain that the DBPOWER D2 probably has better components in it. I mean, obviously you can look at the lens and see that. Now, this DBPOWER camera is really just a rebranding of a different camera. I've seen this style camera offered in several different functions, or several different different brands, and sometimes it's not even having a brand. See here. guys. Just save your money. Don't waste your money on this crap. Now, as mentioned earlier in the video, the reason why I bought this was really for the accessories that came with. Because look, just this waterproof case. If you were to buy these by themselves, I've looked at the pricing on them. They're usually about $10 to $15 just for a case. And this case fits the DBPOWER D2 just fine. No issue. And you can see that the DBPOWER D2 has a much better firmware on it than this other thing over here. You see, it's like it's made for it. So you do get the waterproof case, which I have tested these, and they do keep stuff out. And the case itself is a very well built case. It's probably the most expensive thing in this whole pack. So you get that. You also get this adhesive back mounting. So essentially you can thread in a tripod mount right here. Or excuse me, you can actually thread this into a tripod. Or you can peel this off and use the adhesive to mount it to something else. And the watertight case, it just slides on. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. You know, obviously they make these things tight because you don't want to end up accidentally losing your camera. So it just pops in like that right there. And it's not going anywhere unless you want to pop it off for any reason. And it pops out just like that. So we get an extra micro USB cable, which I can always use those. And we get this mount here, which I believe is the bicycle handlebar mount, which I'll say from the last one that it required some modification to get it to work properly. Like I had to trim off, I actually had to take my dikes and trim some of this plastic off these screws to get them to work properly. Unless your handlebar is like really freaking tiny, yeah. So you get that. You get this 90-degree adapter mount, which, if you're wanting to mount the watertight case on the bicycle handlebar mount, you will need this to turn this thing around. And you also get this right here, which allows you to thread on any camera that uses a tripod mount, you know, standard tripod mount, or if you're wanting to use the backing, which has the threaded mounts on the top and bottom to thread this on to something. Yeah, it's right here. So that would just thread on just like that, and then you can adjust this however you like. This is actually how I have my DBPOWER camera mounted to my bike's handlebar, is one of these that pops in like this. And I'll say that this one here is not exactly as good as the other one, but I'll use this one instead for dash cam video, because that way if the camera pops out for any reason, I ain't gotta worry about it losing it. I mean, it'd be inside my car. So and I actually have a suction cup mount that I bought with an accessory kit a little while back that would mount it to the windshield. So yeah, the only really good thing this thing has going for it is the accessories. You get some accessories with it, and you get this right here, these straps. Like to mount this thing however you like. Now, if you're looking for GoPro accessories, or GoPro compatible accessories that'll work with these cameras too. There's some really good offerings on Amazon. For like $20, you get a crap ton of accessories, including the suction cup mount, chest mount, head mount, GorillaPod style flexible tripod, a selfie stick. All that good stuff for about $20, which is a pretty good deal. So yeah, as I was kind of expecting, this thing here is going to be a piece of crap. So yeah, I kind of figured that. So if you guys are just looking for an action camera, don't bother with these. Just go out and purchase a DBPOWER D2. And maybe if you want some accessories like this, if you want an extra watertight case, a skeleton back, all that good stuff, and you want one of these to tear apart and experiment with, sure, go for it. $13 on eBay. Free shipping. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.